As I walked home on a summer night, when cloud and heaven was shining bright, far away from the footlights glare, into the sweet and scented air, and a quaint old cornet born from afar on a gentle breeze, joining the murmur of summer, distant tones of an old world dance, played by the velvet bank and dance on the corner table. I thought I could hear the curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass, drum, bassoon, flute, euphonium. Far away as in a throne, I heard the sound of Florida. And soon I heard the buzzing and prancing, and then I saw the whole village was dancing. In and out of the houses they came, old folk, young folk, all the same, and I quaint old cornet tone. Every voice took down the waist and hurried her off at tremendous haste. Whether they knew one another I care not, whether they cared at all I know not, but they kissed as they danced along. And there was a band with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass, drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium. Each one making the most of his time, all together in a solo dance. I felt so lonely standing there, and I could only stand and stare, for I had no girl with me. Lonely I should have to be in that quaint old cornet when suddenly hastening down the lane, a figure I knew I saw quite plain. Without the hands I rushed along, and carried her into that very throng, and till the door was gone, ding dong. We danced the band, the curious tone of the cornet, clarinet and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass, drum, bassoon, flute, euphonium. Each one making the most of his time, all together in a solo dance. Dancing here, dancing there, giggling, dancing everywhere, up and down.